Hello, welcome to NX tutorial. So in this video tutorial, we will explain how to add Flange on the sheet metal base tab. In here, we have a base tab, and then later we will add a flange on several edges. For the tutorial goal, in this example, we will learn how to use Flange command and knowing its properties affecting the final result. For example, in here we have a add new set, we have list, at center, full, and full, and also we have a width option starting from full, at center, at end, from end, on from both ends. So we will study how the combination all of this will affect and create a many various type of how to create Flange from a sheet metal tab. Now in here we have a basic geometry, a tab with a thickness 3 millimeters is following a global material thickness. Now in this case we want to try a flange. Let's do reset. For the first step we select edges. Now notice in here we have width option full. It means it's full along the edges with the length 20 millimeters. This is the length. You can reverse direction. For the angle, you can change more than 90 degrees or less than 90 degrees. For the length references, it can be inside, outside, web, or a tangent. For the inset, you can select material inside, material outside, bend outside, material inside OML. So let's go to material inside and use a tangent. Now in here, if we change with option become at center, it's gonna be like this. We have an offset 0. This is offset 0, so it means that it create on the edges. You can see in here the starting point on the edges. With inset, selection is material inside. If we add offset, it also have a distance like this. Okay, let's go back. The offset becomes 0. At center, in here we have a width, so this is the width. If I type 30, become like this. Now also we have an option at end. At end, we must specify the point which one is the end, like this one. And then in here we can change the width. Next we have option from end. From end we have what's called a distance 1, so we can slide along these edges. And finally we have from both ends, so we have a distance 1, this, and then we have a distance 2, this one. Okay, now let's change this one become at center. The width, for example, 50, with offset 15. This is shown at center with the list number 1. We can add new set, click this one. Now we have same asymmetrical, but for example we can change the offset become 0 and with option become full, this one. We can also add new set, one more in here, new, and then click this one. it become like this. We can simply make the offset, go like this. And then we can click OK. So using Flange, we can create so many variations to create new flange on its edges. So that's it, how to create flange and how to use flange feature in an exit method.